A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you're looking to check your bill on the 3UK app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the 3UK app. Launch the app on your smartphone. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Step 2. Log into your account. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Navigate to the billing section. Once logged in, look for the billing tab in the main menu. This is where you can find all your billing details. Step 4. View your current bill. Tap on the current bill option to see your latest charges. This will show you the total amount due in any recent transactions. Step 5. Check payment history. To view past bills, go to the payment history section. This will give you a breakdown of previous payments and billing cycles. If you encounter issues logging in, double check that your account is active and that you're using the correct credentials. Happy billing!